Hello everyone. So right now I'm in the info hub and I'm going to explain what the trade idea tab is. So on the side we have our trade ideas open, and the trade idea tab is a summary of the most important information we provide for our users. Each card usually contains a trade idea that's triggered either by changes in price or by news. So here we have news-driven trade ideas. So let's show, here's a news-driven trade idea, right? This was detected after analysis of previous CPI releases with as expected magnitude. So that is a economic event, that's news that happened, and a trade idea was released with that information. Based on economic calendar events, all market instruments are analyzed to determine which have changed the most in response to past releases for this economic event that have an identical magnitude of surprise. Okay, so that's for your news-driven trade ideas. You also have your price-driven trade ideas, right? So you have here, you have like silver. This trade idea was detected after Germany 10-year bond moves up 0.075% in the last 5 minutes. So that is driven, this idea was driven by the price. So based on markets movements, these trade ideas represent various technical indicators such as S&P 500 moves up 1.25%. Our artificial intelligence machine chooses the most effective patterns out of hundreds of technical analysis patterns, right? So our algorithms choose this not by chance, but based on what happened previously when this was released. So every trade idea presents which market to buy or sell, entry price, stop loss, profit target. And the trade idea card, it looks like this. You have your entry price, your first profit target, and your stop loss. Right? You have that for every trade idea. So you can see, and also you have the trade duration, how long the trade should take, and the success. So very simply, here's your trade ideas, which we have on Info Hub. You can read about it to get it more clear in your mind. And thank you.